Let's learn some fraction. Let's go. Ah! Let's learn fraction, guys. Hi guys, I am teacher Kyrie. Let's learn about fraction. Let's go! Let's go, students! The numerator is this. Number of parts we have are the dot digit that represent the part of the whole. Denominator. Total parts in the whole or the bottom digit that represent the whole. Example, the numerator is sorry guys, I don't have now that thing. Is this. Denominator is this is the denominator. Example. This is a part. Make sure to check if it is 4. 1. Follow along, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have two shades is 1.
Okay na.
Did you get it, guys? Yes or no? Did or did? Very good. That's correct. Sample, guys. One more sample, guys. And let's make a pie too. And let's shape it too. You get it, guys? Again? Very good! Great! I have one more example. Okay, guys? Deal or no deal? I just know the story. For example, guys, let's go! This is the example, guys. I will eat 2 pizza for my best friend. What it will be, guys? Think, guys, after this.
Balik mo na yung mga pizza.
Ang pizza yan. Ito ako. May pepo lang. One more example, guys.
Take away yung food.
Let's take away this card. Ah! Ito yung four, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole pizza is this. And the taken away is 4. Do you get it, guys? Yes! Yes, great job! I have one more example. Tanda! Do you love this, guys? This is another example. Let's spin a wheel. Let's
Try again. One hole. Nasaan yung one hole natin? I-skip mo na yung 1. 6.
Let's find the 6, 8. Let's go, guys. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we found it. Let's shade 6 apart.
Shade mo na. Isa-isa. Okay, 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's spin the wheel again, guys.
Skip mo yung hole. Yun na, let's skip. 2/3.
2/3. Let's find the 2/3. Oh, I found it. Let's shade 2 parts of this part.
Ito yung pang shade mo. Tapan mo.
There we go. We shade it again. And 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will shade 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get it, guys?
Tapos na yan.
5 lang.
Tapos na rin yan.
Sorry, guys, sorry.
1/2.
1/2.
I will shade.
We'll shade 1.
Ano yung na ano mo? Spin.
60. get it, guys? 3, 4. Let's shade 3.
Tapos na rin yan. Tapos na din.
Ang lucky talaga ako, Robert.
Tapos na.
Ang lucky talaga ako. Do it.
1, 7. Okay. You find 7 slice of pie.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So talaga yun.
7 lang.
7.
7 lang. Nasa
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hindi, 8 yan. 8 yan. Hanap ka pa iba. Oh, try mo. Bilang count mo yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no! I will shade one part. You get it, or I just erase this, try to erase this. My mom tried to erase it too. He used something. She used this, guys. Wait, just stand up.
Game. Ano yung last? Bilangan mo yung last. Yung last na pie.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8. Oh, hanapin mo yung 8 dyan. Ah, wala na. 2, 3, 6, 7. Ang dami. Okay na yan.
You get it, guys? Very good. One more example.
One more example ka. Yun dun sa walang shade na pie. Ilan yung part nun? Ayun, no? Ilang part yan? 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, gawin mo yung 5, 8. 5 over 8. Oh, i-shade mo na yung 5.
You get it too, guys? Great job! Always remember the numerator is the small number, smallest number, and the denominator is 4 because it's so big. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and ring that bell or just click it or